Hello friends, welcome to my channel. Today I will tell you about why Tata Nano car failed. The Tata Nano was launched in India in 2009 with the goal of providing an affordable, budget-friendly car to the masses. Despite initial hype and expectations, the car failed to meet sales targets and was eventually discontinued in 2019. There were several reasons for the failure of the Tata Nano in India. 1. Marketing. While the initial hype around the car generated a lot of interest, Tata Motors failed to sustain the momentum with effective marketing. The company did not invest enough in advertising or in creating a strong brand image for the Nano. 2. Perception of the car. Despite being marketed as a people's car, the Nano was seen by many as a cheap and low-quality vehicle. This perception was reinforced by incidents of Nano catching fire, which raised safety concerns. 3. Competition. The Nano faced tough competition from established players in the small car segment, such as Maruti Suzuki and Hyundai. These companies had a strong presence in the market and were able to offer better quality and features at a similar price point. 4. Production issues. Initially, Tata Motors faced production issues with the Nano, which resulted in long waiting periods for customers. This further eroded the car's appeal and led to a decline in sales. Overall, a combination of marketing, perception, competition, and production issues contributed to the failure of the Tata Nano in India. If you like my videos, please subscribe, press the like button. Thank you for watching.